Hello friends, it's very easy trick how to change a declarative sentence into an exclamation sentence or exclamatory sentence. Very easy trick. If you find a or n in the declarative sentence, you must use what. Without a or n, you must use how. If a declarative sentence is written with article a or n, you must use what. If a declarative sentence is written without article a or n, then you must use how. For example, he is a good boy. Here a is there. A is an article, a or n. If there is an article, then we should use what. To convert this declarative sentence into an exclamation sentence, it will be what a good boy, what a good boy he is. You have to separate subject and verb, and you have to write it at last. What, then article, then adjective, then noun, then subject, then verb. What a good boy he is. Without article, you can see here is no article, there is no a or n. So in this case, we must use how. How does it work? Subject and verb. How very stupid. How very stupid he is. Okay? Or you may write how stupid he is. Okay? So it's very easy trick. A sentence with a or n, you must use what. A sentence without a or n, you should use how. It's very simple trick to convert a declarative sentence into an exclamation sentence. I hope you must have understood. Thank you.